But yeah, the heat is on all across the country, and what we're dealing with here in North Texas is obviously the continuation of that heat as well. 102 out at DFW Airport. Of course, that makes for another triple-digit day, the 29th triple-digit day so far this season. Remember, we averaged 20 of them, so we're definitely above that number. And at this point last year, we had 41 triple-digit days. We only finished with 47, so only 6 more to go. Last year at this point, remember, that's because we started to flood. I mean, that's really what ended the triple digits last year, is when those flooding rains happened across portions of North Texas, especially across parts of Dallas County. I don't have that in our future, and I hope that our triple digit streak doesn't end like that. But we could desperately use some rain back in our future. I do have at least some low-end rain chances the next couple days. It's not anything flooding, and in fact, most of you absolutely will stay dry. And if you're wondering, that 29 days so far this season is tied for 19th most for a summer. So we have quite a few more before we need to be talking about, this is a top 10 summer for triple-digit days. We did hit 104 today, which did break our streak of 6 days in a row of highs at or above 105. So at least we got that going for us. It was a very warm morning. 85 was the low. Right now outside 102, feeling like 106. Pollen count looks the same as yesterday. Grass and elm are both moderate, and fungus is low. We have that excessive heat warning continuing through tomorrow for most of North Texas. Right now things are quiet outside and expected to stay quiet the remainder of the evening and into the nighttime hours. But we'll have kind of this, I don't want to call it a cold front. It's just a weak front, a boundary, an outflow boundary. Call it whatever you want. It's a wind shift. It is going to bring some slightly cooler temperatures to northern North Texas, and it will provide the focus maybe for a few of those pop-up showers and storms tomorrow afternoon and evening. But I mean, look at our timecast model here. It's hardly showing anything at all. I mean, don't get your hopes up for rain tomorrow, but it's just not impossible that we get a couple of those bubble up storms out there. Maybe a 20% coverage for DFW, 30% coverage a little closer to the Red River. If you're south of DFW, highly likely you're going to stay dry. I mean, even in and around DFW, it's pretty likely you're going to stay dry. But with the heat of tomorrow, if we get any thunderstorms out there, of course, they could have some gusty winds under them. So that's why it's a 1 on a scale of 5 for severe weather threat. Anytime we get a thunderstorm during the summer, there's always a chance of some of those winds being rather gusty. Now, it does look like a little relief for northern areas because you're kind of behind that boundary, maybe not hitting that 100-degree mark tomorrow afternoon. Definitely will be the triple digits from DFW to the south tomorrow with heat index values higher than that. That's why the excessive heat warning continues. So tonight, warm and muggy with a low of around 84, and then tomorrow an isolated thunderstorm possible, but don't count on seeing that. What everybody will see, obviously, will be the heat with that high of 102. 104 on Tuesday, a 10% coverage on Tuesday, so even lower than what we're dealing with tomorrow. Up to 106 on Thursday. It looks to be the hottest day of the upcoming week. Still well above 100 degrees this upcoming weekend. And still, through the end of that 10-day forecast, I've got those triple digits.